Welcome to this tutorial on how to search for something on Instagram using your PC. With Instagram's latest updates, navigating through the platform on your desktop has become more intuitive than ever. Let's dive into the simple steps to find what you're looking for. First, open Instagram on your PC by navigating to the Instagram website or using a third-party app like Shift, which allows you to manage multiple accounts seamlessly. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar Instagram interface, albeit slightly different from the mobile app. To start your search, look for the search icon located on the left side of the screen. It's usually represented by a magnifying glass. Click on this icon to open the search bar. This is where you can type in anything you want to find, whether it's a specific user, hashtag, or location. Now type what you're searching for into the search bar. It could be a friend's name, a popular hashtag like number travel or number food, or even a specific location. Once you've typed in your query, press enter to initiate the search. Instagram will then display a list of results based on your search. These results can include profiles, hashtags, locations, and even posts that match your query. You can browse through these results to find exactly what you're looking for. If you're searching for a specific user, you can click on their profile to view their posts and stories. If you're interested in a hashtag, clicking on it will show you a feed of posts using that hashtag. Finding content on Instagram via PC is now as straightforward as it is on the mobile app. Whether you're looking for inspiration, trying to connect with friends, or simply exploring new trends, these steps will help you navigate Instagram's vast content library with ease. So, go ahead and explore the world of Instagram right from your desktop